Here I have ZTE Blade A31, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch to the front camera, of course. Tap on the gear icon to access its settings, scroll down to the bottom, and here you have the button mirror reflection. So when you have this feature disabled, photos will be taken normally without being flipped or reflected or mirrored and so on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.